vijana mtanikubalia kwa sababu kina ujumbe ambao nataka wale wafanye recording ipelekwe kwa Ruto. Sasa kwa sababu mnasoma, nataka munisikie. Your Excellency the President, the people of Busia have said that for you to have any discussions with the ODM, first you must pay for the people you killed. Number two, they are also saying that before you can discuss with ODM, tell them what you did with Mumias and Nzoia Sugar. Your Excellency, they are also saying a government that cannot take care of its most vulnerable people has no business being in office. Harambee! Harambee! Mimi nimetoka Kisii. Wakisii wanasema hivi, nita translate. Yendo te by'abantu ba Busia. Balendo omwana oli okoro kusifuna. Balendo n'omwana okoro kwa babu. O make sure bamurabu babere. Balendo obugambi